Hello everyone, I'll just like to make a short video about how to add weight to your diecast vehicles. And the purpose of this tutorial is to make cheaper cars feel more premium and just have a better hand feel rather than to let it perform better in a track or in a race or something like that. So the tools we'll need are a modeling pliers. These should cut through plastic and some types of metal, and also diamond files, something like this, which will allow you to sand down pieces of plastic and to just modify the insides of the car. We will also there's also some creativity needed to perform this mod, so I'm not using like Hot Wheels or Matchbox cars, and these cars come with screws, so I'll take them apart to show you. Right, so once taken apart, you can see that I've added washers here, and rather haphazardly. This is pressure fit. So you need to open up the car that you're modding and take a look inside. Yeah, make a note of what materials I need to remove and how weights would be added into it. In this case, I've used some generic washers that adds 2 grams per 3 washers. It's not very accurate, but this allows me to increase the weight of this car from a rather featherweight 20 some odd grams to about 30. Let me just show you right quick. But scale, God, it's not fitting right, but you can see that this car is about 30 grams, and similarly modded cars have weights around 30, and I think this one's heaviest should be around 35. This improves the just feel of the car when you're handling it and just rolling around your desk pretty dramatically, honestly, and this would just make your cheap cars more fun. Or in the case of like actual Hot Wheels, the Ford Performance Supervan is very light. I do plan on modding this to give it more weight. For a van, it is way too light. Okay, should be all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.